wasn't in. My mother, she was a good sausage.
How old were you when you learned this?
3, 4, 5.
A baby.
Okay.
As a young man, he became a cook. Is this how you fooled your wife with food?
Yeah.
Yeah?
He said, what does she like, man?
Yeah. When he immigrated to the U.S. in the 60s, he took a job with the Long Branch School District as a janitor.
So beautiful, this.
This was his first time back in 20 years.
Did you ever think when you were cleaning the floors here many years ago that you would be the star of cooking on the internet today?
No, I wasn't famous, but I'm so happy today. But I never was happy like it today. Why I was like this when I was young? Nobody was looking at me. No, this is raw shrimp.
Now, they can't get it.
Let me ask you about that famous video.
Oh boy, we come back another this video. One just shine. Yeah, one just shine. One just shine. One just shine.
What do you think it is about your dad that appeals to people?
I think the whole thing that everybody might have known so much because it reminds them of somebody, like whether it's their father or their grandfather or just somebody in the family, like an uncle.
But whose 83-year-old uncle has this much energy? And celebrity status?
Yeah, maybe where's I go? I go a store. And the people is not gonna, oh, I want to take a picture with you, this and that.
But the simple pleasures are where Pasquale gets his kicks. He's happiest in his garden growing herbs, fruits, and vegetables.
What do we eat? Nothing. That's what I am eating.
And in his kitchen.
Look at my chicken scarfariola, how beautiful they look. It's a time and a taste.
Yes.
Yeah, I want to know, see
Pasquale Shrine is the very definition of a second act.
What is your secret to staying young?
First thing, I got a young chicken, my wife. And she gave it to me everything.
Bringing a sense of humor and passion to everything he touches.
Salud, Gina,
It's Janet Shamlian,
Salud.
Long Branch, New Jersey.
This is CBS News on the Hour, sponsored by Liberty Mutual Insurance.
I'm Tom Foti in Washington. Hours after a mass shooting that ended with 5 dead victims, including a police officer, authorities in Raleigh, North Carolina announced
We have taken a suspect into custody, and there's no active ongoing threat in the community at this time.
Raleigh Police Lieutenant Jason Borneo. From North Carolina, Governor Roy Cooper.
This is a senseless, horrific, and infuriating act of violence.
The suspect now in custody is described as a white juvenile male. A Florida jury recommends life in prison for school shooter Nicholas Cruz for the 2019 massacre of 17 people, most of them children, at Parkland's Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School. Now to Capitol Hill, where the House committee investigating the pro-Trump riot of January 6th held its last public hearing before the midterm elections, maybe its last hearing ever, focusing on former President Donald Trump. With some of the Trump angles, correspondent John Dickerson.
He knew that his supporters who were at his rally were armed and were dangerous. He said, invite them in, welcome them in. When he heard Mike Pence was under specific threat at the Capitol, he issued a tweet making him more of a target. Both instances didn't turn to safety, he turned to danger.
Wrapping up the hearing, the committee voted 9-0 to issue a subpoena to Trump. His reaction to that was to insult the committee and promise a response about 5 hours from now. With more, correspondent Scott McFarland.
Also under the spotlight is Secret Service, who saw intelligence predicting violence 11 days before the attack. California Democrat Adam Schiff read some alerts the agents were getting.
They think that they will have a large enough group to march into D.C. armed and will outnumber the police so they can't be stopped. The source went on to say their plan is to literally kill people.
Also in Washington, the Supreme Court rejected Trump's request to get involved in the fight over classified documents seized at his Florida estate. Now, the economy, the inflation, that continued last month despite higher interest rates. Here's correspondent.
More startling was the spike in the so-called core index, the cost of everything but food and energy, after it's now zooming back up to its highest rate of increase since 1982.
AAA is due to update its gas price update just a few minutes from now. After all of this from President Biden,
I'm announcing the Social Security benefits are going to go up by an average of $140 a month, even as Medicare premiums go down.
Asian financial markets have been higher all night. U.S. market futures point higher on Wall Street, too. This is CBS News.
Liberty Mutual customizes your car and home insurance, so you only pay for what you need. Visit libertymutual.com to learn more.
They're pounding on the door. They're calling on the phone. Collectors, it's those credit cards you ran up trying to start your business. Now you found out that a DBA hurts the family and brings the pain home.
For over 40 years, Ray Reynolds has helped customers get millions in credit. It's no wonder they call him the Godfather of Credit. Do you need $50K of corporate credit? Now you can meet Ray Reynolds on his daily webinar at 11 a.m. Pacific Time, Monday through Friday. Or call 800-490-4140 to find out more about his secrets to success in helping fix and improve your credit. 800-490-4140.
Oil investments involve a high degree of risk and actual results may vary. Are you getting hit hard by the IRS and worried about all your profit going to pay for taxes? Make an investment that can potentially pay you passive income for up to 20 or more years, and it will provide a 100% write-off on your taxes in the first year. That's the sound of a producing oil well and the sound of a smart investment. If you are a SEC accredited investor, you can take advantage of Encore Energy's projects. Call for a free consultation, 800-278-7455, 1-800-278-7455.
From overseas, more missile rattling on the Korean peninsula. South Korea saying North Korea has launched another ballistic missile toward its eastern waters. In Europe, defense ministers of the NATO alliance work on a common strategy in light of recent developments in Russia's war in Ukraine. Correspondent Cammie McCormick with that.
Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg said if Russia uses a nuclear weapon, there would be severe consequences.
We will not go into exactly how we will respond.
But he said Russia is aware of what those consequences would be.
It will mean that a very important line has been crossed. Even any use of a smaller nuclear weapon will be a very serious thing, fundamentally changing the nature of the war in Ukraine.
NATO defense ministers have been holding 2 days of talks on how to assist Ukraine.
One thing they do promise, advanced air defense systems to protect Ukraine against Russia's intensifying missile attacks. I'm Tom Foti, CBS News.
The only radio news app for breaking news. CBS News Radio.
Weather in outer space is unpredictable. High-energy solar particles bombard Earth and objects in our orbit with radiation that can endanger the lives of astronauts and destroy electronic equipment. Is there a way to more accurately predict these dangerous particle bursts? We'll explore as we look into the U.S. National Science Foundation's Discovery Files. These cosmic rays are strong enough to reach passengers and airplanes flying over the North Pole. Despite scientists' best efforts, elusive. For decades, scientists have believed that the sun's plasma generates high-energy particles. But these particles move so erratically and unpredictably that until now, they have not been able to be simulated. NSF-supported researchers have created complex 3D computer models that show the exact movements of solar energy particles. These fully kinetic simulations track ion and electron acceleration from the electric field inception, shedding new light on the origin of particles in space and astrophysical systems. The findings allow a greater understanding of the origin of solar energy particles, more accurate forecasting of dangerous cosmic weather events, and invite future simulations of other celestial bodies. To hear more science and engineering news, including the researchers making it, subscribe to NSF's Discovery Files podcast, available wherever you get podcasts. Follow us